Good day once again, people. This is your boy Eduardo Agbo, and welcome to my latest tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you two ways on how we can install Kali Linux on an Android phone without the device being rooted. Now, all of us, I want to assume that we know that Kali Linux is one of the best operating systems to work with if you are a hacker or a cracker. Using the following method, you can install Kali Linux on your Android smartphone and use the complete pen testing test and other Linux too. You also have to agree with me that Kali Linux have the ability or the possibility of turning your Android phone into a portable network pen tester. Now, for method one, what we are going to do is we are going to go to Google. Once at Play Store, we are going to download an application that is called GNroot. This GNroot, what does it do? It creates a fake Linux root direction on your Android phone, which fools the Linux file, believing that it is running on a rooted Android device, which is not the case. So we are just going to open this, and please follow the steps that we are going to take. Now, this GNroot will give you the possibility of installing Linux distro root, like let me say, like Wheezy, Gentoo, Fedora, and all the rest. So I've taken Wheezy. No matter what you take, you need to download it. So I'm going to create a new roof. Now I'm going to wait until all this download is finished. When the download is finished, you can look down before clicking this button. You're going to discover that there is a distro there that I need to select, and after that I'm going to check launch as fake root. And now, after checking launch as fake root, I'm going to allow it. Now look at what is going to happen. Now if I launch check as fake root, what is going to happen? Now it's going to download in reality all the different applications that exist. It's going to make this, it's going to download and it's going to execute all the files. For example, the ISO files that exist in the Kali Linux setup, because it's going to believe that it's running on an Android device, but actually that's not the case. Now, looking for an example, what I'm trying to say is this: that after that step is completed, this is what is going to happen. All these files are going to be downloaded and are going to be installed, and everything is going to be normal as if it is operating in a Kali Linux system or in a phone that has been rooted. So thank you. That's the method one, and you see here on the method one that you have successfully installed Kali Linux if you follow this procedure. Now we are going to look at the second method. Now we are going to go to Google and we are going to type Kali Linux download, and we are going to wait for the result that is going to give us. Now once as we get Kali Linux download, we are going to go to the official Kali Linux download site, and we are going to click. We are just going to click on this, and we are going to select what we want to download from. So immediately when we click, you are going to see that a table is going to come out, and once it is out, you have the possibility of choosing. So I'm going to show you mine that I choose. Now here is how the table looks like. So I took Kali Linux Lite 32-bit. I'm going to download this. To download, you're just going to click on the HTTP torrent, but since I already downloaded, I'm not going to download. So it's been long since I used this method. So you are going to go out and go to Play Store now to download a software called Bosch. So you go to Play Store and you click Bosch, BOCHS. So you are going to install. Since I've already installed the application, I'm just going to open the application. Now once the application is open, we are going to choose this on this level, and we are going to make sure that here is CD-ROM, and now we are going to select. Now to select, you just click here and you go where you have downloaded your file and you click your file. So this is mine, Kali Linux Lite 2018. So this 2018 version, I'm just from downloading a few days ago. So you ensure that the rest is disks and the last is the same. So you go to hardware. Hardware, you have the possibility of giving Kali Linux the quantity of memory that you want. For example, let's say I can give it 1 giga, but I'll prefer leaving it this way. Now when all of this is done, you just go to start. Now when you go to start, you're going to see that it's going to boot normally like Kali Linux, and you're going to see stuff that looks similar here. Now if you observe very well with me, you're going to see F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, and you're going to see actually that it looks like a booting system for Kali Linux, but just the problem is there's an error code showing 0003 for this method. So you can try this on your software, and thank you for coming to my page to watch this tutorial. And these are the two methods that we can use to install Kali Linux on our Android device. Thank you and see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can get more videos from me. My channel page name Agbo Eduardo.